town where the tumbleweeds roam. That's Los Lunas, my New Mexico home. The sun's so hot it burns down low. Shadows stretch as the river slow. Old tracks lead where the railroads run. Los Lunas shines in the desert sun. Los Lunas, my heart is torn. Born to this land where my dreams were born. Rockabilly beats in the dryer's mold. Los Lunas, you're my New Mexico home. Memories twist just like barbed wire's edge. Rusted old trucks parked by a prairie ledge. Ghosts in the wind, the stories told. Los Lunas streets are lined with gold. Laughter echoes from the old saloon. Neon lights flicker beneath the desert moon. Footsteps stomp to a rockabilly tune. Los Lunas, my home through and through. Los Lunas, my heart is torn. Born to this land where my dreams were born. Rockabilly beats in the dryer's mold. Los Lunas, you're my New Mexico home.